Hey guys, how you doing? This is MJ coming at you with another video. This time I have something special for you. It's Alcatel Pixi 4 Plus Power. And there's a reason they call it power, because it packs 5,000 milliamp battery. And not only that, this 5,000 milliamp battery can be transferred to another phone. So the power inside this phone can be charged to another phone. And let's take a look at the specification real quick. This is as advertised in the package. 2.7 days battery, and it will last you YouTube for 14 hours, 5 days of music, 22 hours of Google, and it can charge on other phones. Plus, it contains fast charging. That's a good plus for this phone. Now, let's take a look at the technical specifications. 5.5 HD IPS display. Rear camera 30 megapixels LD flash. So front camera 5 megapixel. Audio enhancement by Arcamis. And I'm not really know about this company, but if it's really written here, maybe Alcatel is advertisement could be real. We're gonna take it to the test with the speaker. It has a 3G plus quad core CPU, so it's not a 4G, it's a 3G CPU. Though the CPU is really okay compared to the price or value of the products, the CPU is considered okay. It's Android 6.0 Marshmallow. It has 16 gigabytes of ROM and 1 gigabyte of RAM. So you have 16 gigabytes of internal storage. 5,000 milliamp battery, dual SIM card, dual standby. And as you can read here, megapixels photos enhanced by Alcatel imaging technology. All right. Here, as you can see, it can charge to other phones. It doubles up as a power bank to charge other devices on the go. What else we have here? We have only guidelines, different languages. Let's open up the phone and see. I think I need to open it through this. See, sometimes you have to be prepared to cut off these stickers, and if you do not give attention, nor you have longer fingernails, you'll be in trouble. So I'll be back. Alright, we found something to cut the stickers off. Let's go. Yeah. Alright. Aside and open up this package. Let's see what we have here. Before I start this unboxing, I want you to know that this phone's price is an $80 only. So I bought this for an $80, equivalent to other currencies. So let's take a look what we have here. Stickers. The phone as advertised. It has dual colors. It has the red and black. So this phone comes with two colors, red and black. If you release the sticker, you will see a sign here, 5,000 milliamp battery on the front. I'm not sure what they included this sign over here, but just to remind you that this is a 5,000 milliamp battery phone, big ass phone. Alright, so open up the rest. I don't know where is the back, but let's see, maybe it's inside, hidden. Let's put the phone in here. Just take away my knife. Put the phone over here, and let's see what we have here. So I'm not gonna open this one, but it seems that's a USB 2.0 to a USB 2.0. This is where you transfer your milliamp batteries to other other devices, ladies and gentlemen. And let's put this aside. Let's see what we have here. Oh, don't tell me. Good job. Good job, Alcatel. Thank you. Thank you. A headphone jack. A headphone. Guys, it's a headphone. It's a headphone for $80, guys. A mobile phone with a headphone. Thank you, Alcatel. That's a good addition. Thank you. Not everyone included a headphone into their $80 phones. If an $80 phone available at that price, not to say they use specs. So let's open up this thing too. See what we have here. And we have the USB to USB Type-C. This is a charging cable. Excuse me. This is the this is the power where you charge your phone, and it says it's a fast charging. So let's see if actually it is. If it's possible to read the specs. I don't see the specs. Yeah, there it is. Let's take a closer look. Focus while we make 10. Focus. Focus. What is it? All right. Well, we're not focusing, guys, so I will change this phone. Or maybe I'll buy a professional camera for it to focus. So what I will do, I need to take off this plastic, because I think the plastic is what actually distracts the camera. Let's take a look at this and see if it actually can focus without the plastic. Alright, let's flip it over and see what we have here. So guys, we have a 5-volt 2 amp, a 5-volt 2 amp of charging speed. Alright, I cannot say this is a fast charge in today's standards, but this is considered a fast charge. It's not a 5-volt 1 amp, so 5-volt 2 amp. We're gonna put it to test. We're gonna test this with against other phones. So what we have here, booklets as usual. Any stickers? Nothing new. Oh yeah, nothing. All right. We have a screen protector for $80. Beautiful. Screen protector, ladies and gentlemen. And finally, we have the back. Now the back is black. The back is black, ladies and gentlemen. And as you can see, it's plastic, soft plastic. And it's bendable. And you can see the, oops, I don't want to break anything, man. All right, I need to be careful with these. So, as you can see, there are two colors, black and red. And let's put it all together and see how it actually looks like. Oops. Let's see why it's not actually getting in. Yeah, I have to first align the volume and the power button first and foremost, and then we can just click it all together, like just like this, fast and smooth. Yep. And I think this is this a front flash? I mean, it looks like a front flash. We're gonna put it into test. Okay, put it on here now. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Alcatel, as you can see. So just looking at it from the outside here, I don't see any microphone in the front. However, I see the microphone on the back. All right, I see the microphone over here, as you can see, and we have the USB 2.0. This is where it charges. It's not in the middle; it's on the sides. And what do we have here, guys? Can you see that? I don't know what it is, this dot, but maybe it's something secret. We don't know. And we have, what else? We have nothing. Yeah, that's it. A microphone and the USB 2.0. And we have the usual Android buttons. It's like it's not on the screen, it's a physical, so be easier to navigate back, you know, dropping the apps, then calling for multi apps here. That's about it. The camera is 13 megapixels with a flash, and these are speakers over here. It says it has a really good speakers, so we're gonna put it into test. Let's start the phone and see if it has juice. Yep, it has juice. All right. Now we're gonna put it into testing against the Nokia 2 because it has the similar specs and almost the same when it comes to the processor. But because this is an octa-core 1.3 processor, it's a MediaTek, and it has a Mali 400 GPU. While on the other hand, on the Nokia 2, it has a Snapdragon 212 with the Adreno 3.6. So it has a similar specs. It's good to compare both of these two. And if you want to think about it, that is an $80 phone, while this one has a price of around $90, roughly $90 phone. By now you can buy it for $90. So an $80 versus $90. We're gonna go there and compare each one of these two phones. For now, this is the unboxing. Please like and subscribe, guys. See you guys later.